If you want to trade with me, I have a shadow trading program where you will be added to a private group and receive alerts in a moment's notice anytime I enter and exit a trade. Click the link in the description below and let's start making this money together. Hey, how's it going everyone? Just wanted to bring you in here for the short-term trade from earlier this month. Really enjoyed this position here. Hope you guys for a shadow trading example that we are live in the trade currently. So basically what we got going on here is a good buy entry on the USD JPY pair here. So basically we have 3 contracts in a buy position with our total profit potential being around $120 after fees, somewhere around 115 to 114. So as you can see, we are starting to head to the upside now. We are going to look to capitalize on a short-term scalping profit. So that is what we want to do. We want to get anywhere between $80 to $89 per contract and lock in a nice short-term profit that is at the halfway point or a little more than half of our total profit potential. So that is our profit target for today. Let me show you exactly what got me into this trade here, and then we will try to go ahead and capitalize on our short-term profit. So I'll try to make this quick that way in case it gets up there pretty quick here. So let me show you on the chart here. Basically, you can see we had a big bullish move to the upside earlier. So basically, right here, it just looks like a trend continuation. You can see the Bollinger Bands are in full effect going up. The center Bollinger Band is almost vertical at this point, so it's a fantastic trend to the upside. And as you can see, we are beyond a previous resistance, which is a bit far back here, but it is back here quite a ways. There we go. So we do have a not a short term, but a previous support and resistance area with long wick activity and big moves heading in and out of the zone. So that is always a good sign. And then as you can see, we're holding above and our overall trend is upwards. We're actually overbought currently, but still well within the top band of the Bollinger Band here. So once I bring you down to the smaller time frames, it'll make more sense. So let me show you what's going on with the 15-minute candles here. So as you can see, we're actually entering a squeeze. Now, what you call this is actually a bull flag. So we had a uptrend, a trend continuation, and then we have this bullish outbreak to the upside, which forms this flag-like pattern. Now, normally you will see a little bit of a receding down or a small move to the upside. So we are seeing that confirmation here. Plenty of long wick activity bouncing from this zone. The Bollinger Bands are squeezing in. So we're looking for that big move to the upside now. As you can see, the bullish volume is still present in the zone with a little bit of some spikes here and there. Not very much bearish activity in the zone, but we are waiting for that breakout. Even if the breakout doesn't occur within our hour, guys, we just need to be up a little bit in order to reach our profit goal. And then we will be done with this trade. And then we can look at a potential re-entry or an entry in the second hour of our shadow trading schedule here. So basically, that's it for now, guys. I'll bring you back whenever we're taking profits or holding into expiration. So I'll see you soon. Peace. All right, everyone, just bringing you back in here. We're getting pretty close to our profit target here. I think I'm actually going to go ahead and set a take profit order, if it'll let me do it here, for 84. That way we get triggered automatically and exited out of the trade when we reach our profit target here. Getting pretty close now. There we are, guys. So we just hit our profit target. Fantastic short-term profits there. Letting the group know now. Boom. So there we go, guys. Just like that. Very short-term hold there. We've only been in this trade for about 15 minutes, and we were able to extract more than half of the total profit potential. So a fantastic short-term trade. Let me go ahead and show you guys again on the chart real quick, just exactly what I mean. And yes, we're starting to see that break to the upside now that I've stated before. So we've been hanging above the support. Overall, we're in a squeeze. We break through that upside, there could be a chance for another bull flag breakout, which is exactly what you see down here. This is what you would call the pole. And then what we are forming here is the flag, slightly skewed to the upside. Like I said, sometimes it can be slightly skewed to the downside. But as long as you see a majority presence of volume being bullish or bearish, because there are bear flags as well. So you want the overall trend up, overall volume to reflect that sentiment as well. And on the lower time frames and the higher time frames, keeping with an upper trend, keeping with a break beyond a previous support, long wick activity facing the support or resistance, ensuring that move to the upside. And a nice green candle like this could lead us to another position in the following hour where we could see a pullback candle. If this candle continues to close or exceed these wicks up here, that can lead us to a confirmation candle on the higher time frames to ride this bull flag in a more long-term maneuver here. But on a short-term basis, guys, that is a fantastic short-term profit. Not bad at all. Even if you just did this one trade for the day, I mean, you're looking at pretty good profits, especially when you think about scaling up to 5 contracts to 10 contracts. That's where, you know, people really start making the big money. But, you know, always do what is best for your personal risk tolerance. That's what I always do. That's why you see me in these videos. I usually trade anywhere between 1 to 3 contracts to simulate what a lower risk trader will be risking in the shadow trading program. Because as stated, this is a live example straight out of the shadow trading session for today. So just want to put that out there, guys, that, you know, you always want to put risk first. Make sure you're doing what's best for your account. Do not trade with money that you cannot afford to lose. Basically, you want to minimize your emotions in a trade as much as possible, because sure, it looks great when you see, you know, the profits, but it's the trades that go against you that you have to be most focused on. And always remember to focus on quality of trading over quantity. Sometimes we don't even get into a trade in our sessions because we want to ensure that we get in the most high probability positions and as close to an at the money price as possible. That means as close to $50 per contract. That way, you know, with our high probability methods and techniques in conjunction with the at the money price, you know, you have a better than 50 to 60 to 70% chance of probability of profit while also keeping your entry price low. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Just wanted to bring you in here to show you this example of a bull flag straight out of the shadow trading program. If you would like to join the shadow trading program, definitely check out the links in the description below. You can trade with us 5 nights a week, Sundays through Thursdays, between 7 and 9 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. We did increase the hours of trading. We used to just do 7 to 8. Now we do 7 to 9. So we would love to have you a part of the team. So be sure to check that out. And I hope you guys enjoyed this. Be sure to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Stay safe out there. Peace. If you want to trade with me, I have a shadow trading program where you will be added to a private group and receive alerts in a moment's notice anytime I enter and exit a trade. Click the link in the description below, and let's start making this money together.